Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. The story. Many, many years ago, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a beautiful princess. She had long red hair and loved roses so much that everyone called her Princess Rose. Every evening after dusk, Princess Rose went out onto her balcony and clapped her hands. A golden bird appeared out of nowhere and perched on her shoulder. Instantly, the prince's hair began to shine ablaze with a brilliant red glow when the bird sang its enchanting melody. Princess Rose joined in, and the entire kingdom fell asleep, dreaming sweet dreams till the break of dawn. Thus the years passed. Each night, Princess Rose and the Golden Bird sang their lullaby, filling the land with peace and pleasant dreams. Though wish course, but one day something terrible happened. A wicked witch learned of Princess Rose and decided to curse her. Abracadabra, sim shalabhim. May the roses colored dim, the witch chanted. In an instant, Princess Rose's hair turned as black as tar. That evening, she still stepped onto her balcony and clapped her hands. The golden bird appeared, but this time her hair glowed black instead of red. The bird sang its melody, and the princess sang her lullaby. Everyone in the kingdom fell asleep. But that night they had only nightmares and restless dreams. The next day, the saddened princess asked the bird, "Tell me, golden bird, how can I make my people's dreams sweet again till the break of dawn?" "Black hair in rose water," the birds chirped in reply. Though puzzled, the princess followed its advice. She filled a basin with water and sprinkled rose petals over it. When she dipped her black hair into the rose water, it instantly turned red again. That evening, when the bird perched on her shoulder, the radiant red glow of her hair once more lit up the night sky. She sang her lullaby, and once again people had sweet dreams. The wicked witch was furious that her curse had been broken. She decided to cast it again. Abracadabra, simsalabim, may the roses color dim. Once again the prince's hair turned black as tar, but this time the wiz also picked every single rose from the entire kingdom. Let's see how you will break my curse now, she cackled. That night the princess again asked, "Tell me, golden bird, how can I make my people's dreams sweet again till the break of dawn?" "Black hair in rose water," the bird repeated. "But where can I find a rose?" the princess cried. "Black hair in rose water," the bird repeated and flew away. The miracle of the rose. The princess was filled with sorrow. A single tear rolled down her cheek and fell to the ground. At the moment, a young prince who had stopped beneath her balcony reached into his pocket and pulled out a small box. Inside was a single strand of red hair. He bent down and placed the hair atop the prince's fallen tear. Suddenly, a miracle happened. The red hair transformed into a red rose. The prince picked the rose and brought it to Princess Rose. Seeing it, she quickly wiped away her tears, plucked its petals, and dropped them into the basin of water. Then she dipped her black hair into the water, and the curse was broken once again. Gasp of astonishment filled the air. The king turned to the prince and asked, "Young man, where did you find that red hair?" The prince smiled and said, "When the princess and I were children, I took a single strand of her hair as a token of my loyalty, and she did the same, keeping a strand of my hair." "It's true," Father the princess confirmed, taking out a small box. Inside was a strand of the prince's hair. The kingdom rejoiced. That very same day, Princess Rose and the prince were married. The witch's defeat. When the wicked witch learned that her curse had been broken once more, her rage grew so intense that they exploded into 1,000 tiny pieces. From that day forward, roses bloomed in every golden garden throughout the kingdom. And each evening, Princess Rose sang her loving lullaby, ensuring that all her people had sweet dreams till the break of dawn. Moral of the story: true love and kindness can break even the darkest of curses, no matter how powerful evil may seem. Goodness will always triumph in the end.